welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, I do just want to go ahead and say that I have IGTV, which is really exciting, and I'm going to be posting like makeup routines and like morning routines, night routines, like videos like that, but it's new exclusive content that you will not be getting on my YouTube channel. So if you want to go ahead and follow me on there, I definitely recommend that you do. So you guys know that I post 2 times on YouTube. I post on Sundays and I post on Thursdays, but I'm also going to be posting at least 1 time a week on IGTV. I hope that you guys will follow me on there and sort of just like, you know, follow the journey that we're gonna be taking with this platform. I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but I'm at least going to hop on the bandwagon and make videos on it. So I hope you guys follow me on there. With that being said, today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. I get so many comments asking me how I did my makeup. And this is almost the same, like this is the same makeup look that I do in almost every single one of my videos. So I decided what better video to make than this one. I do want to preference this by just saying like this is not my every single day makeup. This is my every single day I wear makeup. This is the look that I would wear, if that makes sense. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. I've already moisturized my face and now I'm going to be going in with my Sizzapare Green Solution. I talk about this all the time. This is my favorite thing. I have very red skin. Like I get red so easily. When I'm nervous, I get red. When I am hot, the first thing to get red is my face. It's a mess. But this is the one thing that honestly just like, it covers everything. It makes it so like the redness doesn't shine through my makeup. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte poreless. It is a little bit darker than my actual skin tone, so you'll see that. But it does oxidize throughout the day, and even you'll see within like, by the time I put on like all my powder and stuff, it looks like it's the same color. Now going in with my concealer, I use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Neutral. I actually watched a video saying that you're not supposed to put this much concealer on because it like moves or something, but here I am because I am not a beauty guru and I find that this works. Now to set my concealer, I'm using the Kat Von D Translucent Powder. I don't do the whole baking situation. I feel like the only time I do get creasing is when I attempt to bake. So I just like stay away from it. It's never really been an issue for me with creasing, like I said, unless I'm baking, and then it's a mess. For my bronzer, I use this one right here, and this is by Too Faced, and it is in the shade Chocolate. I've been using this for a really long time now, and I am just obsessed. I don't think it's just the bronzer. I think it's also the brush that also helps me with like loving this. So I use the Sephora, this is the Pro Precision Powder Brush. I am obsessed with this brush. I think it puts my concealer on so nicely. The blush that I've been loving recently is this one by Tarte. I really need a new one. The lid is broken. It's already hit the pan, but I'm just gonna keep using it until it's like completely gone. But this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. Well, it's Partay, it's not Party. I have been using this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. It is this like golden color right here. I love this. Okay, low-key, I think I'm allergic to it, but I don't know. Like, I get these bumps right here sometimes, and they're where my highlight would go. So I don't know if I'm allergic to it or if my skin has just been getting texture. It's not acne, it's not any of that, so I don't really know, but I love it. So I'm gonna keep using it because I don't have any bumps today, so I don't know if it's just a fluke or if it's the weather, or if I'm just getting textured skin. I really don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the lipstick on now because I hate the way it looks whenever like you have foundation on your lips. So I'm using this one. This is by the brand The Barest, and it is in the Flesh. Now onto my eyes. So the palette that I've been using forever, it's been a long time. I've been using this Tartelette palette. All of the shades are like matte colors and they're light, and I don't know, I just think that they look really natural and I really, really love them. So I am starting off with, it's called Natural Beauty. It's a very light purple shade, and I'm putting it right on my eyelid. Sometimes I stop here, but for today I'm going to be using a dark plum color and putting that on my outer corner. I tend to focus on the outer corners a lot more. These are not perfect. I never try to have my makeup be perfect because it already takes long enough to do your makeup, and then if you're trying to be perfect with it, it's just gonna take you even longer. So now I'm taking my eyeliner, and this is one by Revlon. This is absolutely not perfect, not even close. I actually need to wipe off the outer corners of my eyes, but I'm gonna wait for the eyeliner to dry a little bit because I got it a little bit farther than what I wanted to. I have been a huge fan of the Maybelline New York, the Rocket Mascara. It's been my girl, I love it. Sometimes I'll just like do this with my fingers just to give it a little bit of an extra curl. So right now I don't have an eyebrow like pencil just because I've been too lazy and I'm too cheap to go buy one. So I've just been taking a eyebrow brush and then dipping it into a matte taupe colored like eyeshadow. Some people think I'm crazy, some people think I'm a genius. I don't know what side you're on, but I'm probably gonna keep doing this until I actually can get to a Sephora. And this was it for my everyday makeup. Once again, keep in mind, like I said in the beginning, this is not my every single day makeup, it's my every day that I wear makeup look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you guys have any dupes, that would help me out a lot. Your girl is cheap. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on makeup, and all of my products are a little bit on the pricey side. So if I can find a product that is a dupe and it does its job and it's cheaper and it's drugstore, let me know. I would be so appreciative of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.